If you're like me, you want to spend more time fishing and less time fighting your gear. So, when I picked up the VEVOR 40V electric ice auger, I was honestly a bit skeptical. It's way cheaper than the big names like Eskimo or StrikeMaster. But was it a steal or just a scam? Let's get right into it. First up, performance. This thing actually rips through ice. I cut through nearly 4 feet last weekend and didn't feel it bog down once. That brushless motor and turbo high-speed cutting system? Yeah, it's not just marketing fluff. The power's legit. Just be ready for a strong jolt if you hit the bottom. Hold those handles tight. Now it's true, the VEVOR is heavier than the pricier composite models. If you're hopping spot to spot all day, you'll notice. For me, the trade-off was worth it. The safety lock and trigger make it easy to control, and the center point tip means my holes are straight every time. Build quality? Honestly, it's pretty solid. The aluminum shaft, nylon flighting, and steel blades give it a tough feel. No rattles or cheap plastic vibes. I've read that VEVOR sometimes has quality control hiccups, but mine's taken a beating and held up so far. Just a heads up. Finding replacement blades isn't as easy as with Eskimo or StrikeMaster, so plan ahead if you're drilling a ton of holes. So, is it a scam? Not at all. If you're a hobbyist or weekend warrior, you'll get a ton of value for the price. You might miss out on the premium feel or ultra-lightweight build, but for most anglers, the VEVOR 40V delivers where it counts. Would I buy it again? For the money, absolutely.